welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cami and I am a stay-at-home mama of one. I am also the owner of Budget by Cami on Etsy, and I sell cash trays, binders, and customized nameplates. So today we're gonna be cash stuffing a total of $190. This is a combination of my Etsy income and some of the paycheck this January 3rd. Third paycheck? Yeah, it's the third paycheck. So let's start. I already opened my pink binder just because I did the thumbnail. So let's start with this one. And I have my cheat codes in here so I can see how much do I need to stuff in every envelope. So first thing is rent, and we're gonna be adding $10. And now we have 20, 25, 30, and our goal is 1,400 for the 1 month ahead for rent. Next is car insurance, and this is just gonna get $5 for now. So we have 15. Moving on to our renters insurance. I'm gonna be adding $5, so we only need $10 to be a month ahead for our renter's insurance. I did this first because this is the least or the less amount to stuff. So we only need $30 for this envelope, and then after the renter's insurance, I'm gonna be moving on to our internet, which costs us $55 per month to be a month ahead. Next is 1 month ahead. So this is a freebie that I got from Simply Budgeted, and I won her giveaway last year, and I'm gonna use it for our car note. We pay $463 every month for our car, and we want to be a month ahead as well with that. So I'm gonna be adding $5 for now, just so it has some money in there. So that's it for our month ahead binder. Next, we're gonna be doing our wildflower savings challenge, and when you complete this challenge, you're gonna have $1,000. And this is also what I won last giveaway from Amanda of Simply Budgeted. So we're gonna be adding 20. These Canadian bills are very hard to fold because it's not truly paper, unlike the US dollar ones. So now we have 80, and we're gonna be crossing out 1 wildflower. So that's that for our savings challenge. Next is my kids binder, and for my kids binder, I'm gonna be adding 10 to school, and birthdays also $10. So this is new from my binders because I saw Sav Saves cash stuffing, and then I got inspired with the tracker, so I did that with my binders as well. I just bought some book from Marshalls. I think it's about $5, and then I just printed my cash envelope tracker from my shop and then laminated it, and it turns out okay. So that's that. $10 for birthdays. And this one is crossed out, so I'm gonna be adding $10. So it now has $10. I need to erase this one. So next we have school. So we wanted to save up for his preschool next year just in case he needs to go to school na. So I'm gonna be adding another $10. I do have a lot of fives, so I'm gonna be adding a lot of fives for this. And what date? It's the 30th, but I'm filming this on the 27th. So 26th or 27th, I'm not sure. Plus 10, so we have $10. Because I think preschool in Canada is also the same amount for daycare. And it's 326. It's subsidized already, and then you need to pay additional 200 for the meals. And on top of that, I think you need to pay a deposit when you need to enroll your son. So we need to save a lot for his school. And that's it for his binder. Next is our sinking funds. So I'm not done with our trackers. I'm still printing the cash envelope tracker because I just printed out some for my sinking funds, and then for my variable expense, I still need to make more. So first is citizenship, and we're gonna be adding $5. So it now has 10. See, it's so cute. Next is seasonal. I'm gonna be adding another 5. So seasonal now has $5, $10, $15, $20. Vision and dental, I'm gonna be adding another 5. So a lot of 5s for my sinking funds because we're trying to pay off our credit card, so I cannot stuff a lot in every paycheck until we pay off our debt. So vision and dental now has 15. Annual fee, I'm gonna be adding 10. So it now has 30. And we need $75 at the end of March to pay for our Costco annual membership. Taxes, I'm gonna be adding 5. So it should have 20, 10, $20. Anniversary, just to have money in here, I'm just gonna add $5 for now. But we don't have anything for our anniversary next year because we went all out in Vancouver last year. So vet fee, he has his digital sinking funds in our high yield savings account, but I'm gonna be adding in this envelope for now, and then for the next cash stuffing after it reaches $100, I'm gonna be putting it in his sinking funds in my Neo. So $5 for vet fee. Moving expense, we're gonna be receiving our renewal letter on March or mid-March, so we're gonna know how much our rent is gonna be on May. If you're gonna hear my son at the background, he's in the bedroom with his dad. So moving expense now has 10.25, and I hope our rent will not increase because I think our rent is subsidized for this year, and then I don't know how much will it cost for this coming year. So next is investment, and I'm gonna be adding $10. So now we have 10, 20. And once it reaches 50, I'm gonna be adding it to our tax-free savings account to buy some ETFs. So this is from my old setup because I haven't done this one. I haven't done the design for our car maintenance. So I'm just gonna be using this one for now. So it has $100 in the bank, and I'm gonna be adding $30 for our car maintenance because we are due for a oil change this month, I think, this February. So I think I need 170 for our car maintenance. So we're done with our sinking funds. Okay, last is our variable expense. So for variable expense, we're just gonna stuff gifts. We don't need to stuff that right now. Home decor will be getting $10 because I'm trying to save up to buy some shoe cabinet and coffee table with I don't know how to say it. So home decor now has 10, 20. I think it's the coffee table that you can adjust so you can have a desk when you sit, something like that. So next we have skin, and I need to buy some new facial wash. So $10 is good because I only need, I think, $9 for my facial wash. So skin got 10. Don't mind this, I haven't erased this tracker, and I'm gonna use it for my skin envelope. And see, I'm not done yet. I still need to make more for my variable expense and kids envelope. Household will be getting $10, and I pull out some money in there because we went to Dollarama and bought some stuffs for the house. Pet care will be getting 5, so it now has 10. And last is prescription, so this will be getting the last $5, and I can buy my pills for the next 3 months for $15. So that's that. We're done for this quarter, and that's it, you guys, for our January 3rd paycheck stuffing this January. So if you like this type of videos and if you want to see more of my cash stuffing in the future, please consider to subscribe to this channel and comment what are your saving goals this year. So that's it for now. Bye!